heading outside to see if there's any damages from the rain we just had. Oh my god, these pots, they're filled with water. I don't think any plant at all need this much water in them. Well, let me check on these tomatoes. Goodness, guys. I think I might just turn these over. So here I am, guys, heading towards this bed head and bed foot that we recently changed. My husband said he's going to throw it in the trash. So in today's video, guys, I am going to be using these two pieces of items to start my very first project in my Recycle It series. Yes, guys, so the series is going to be items that I will be recycling and repurposing going forward. Alright, so I have been told on several occasions that I have a very beautiful garden, and these words are like fuel to a fire to me. It gives me a drive that wants to produce more. And so after observing the garden diaspora, almost everyone has been producing the same or similar content. So I started looking at my very own content to find out what my niche was. I realized that I love to repurpose things, basically turning trash into garden treasures. Okay, so they're looking pretty good. I don't think I will be painting them because I love the natural look. They have been outside for quite some time now. They were actually covered with that piece of plastic that you all see lying on the ground. So guys, this is the area that I will be working with. I recently moved the pallets and put them in my herb gardens. So let's dive into it. So I have successfully placed the first piece here. It was really a struggle for me because it was drizzling a little bit. It's very late and over there was very wet. These posts, I will be using them to reinforce the bedded against the wall. So guys, I had to stop recording because my neighbor was playing some music. I didn't want to be copyrighted. And then because the pallets, they were not placed in the same order, so I literally had to take everything down and switch that pallet around. So here I am now. I have placed the front piece of the bed in place, and I am now going to use the other two bars that I have to secure that front piece right there, even though they are in the pallets. And guys, this is not a hammer. This is actually like it's a rock that I found lying around the yard, and it drives things down faster for me sometimes. So this is what I am using. It's getting dark, guys, but just want you to see that I made my garden bed right here out of my old bedpost that I had just thrown down somewhere in the yard. So here it is, guys, my new garden bed. Ooh, guys, It really looks like a bed that I could take a nap in right now. But no, I am not sure what I want to put in there yet. Maybe just flowers. So this area can actually be a focal point for the pollinators to come. To this side and this side, I can actually add some 5-gallon buckets to grow my kale and whatever brassicas I need to grow. Yeah, but this is my very first project, guys, for the series called Recycle It. If this is your first time joining me, this is the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. If you are looking for some garden ideas, some garden inspiration to enhance your garden, please subscribe, comment, like, share, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So whenever I upload the videos, you will be notified. Guys, please tell me what you think. What type of flowers do you think I should plant in this area? Because I do not want to plant something that will take over all of the bedposts so it cannot be visible anymore. Yes, guys, so I would really appreciate your comments and thoughts, as I said. So thanks a lot for joining me again, and I will see you soon in another video.